If you have an ATV with worn out webbing on your Nerf bars, we're going to show you how to replace that today. It's also going to work for brand new Nerf bars. So with this webbing, if you need to pick up a new set, we have several options for colors on our website. So go check that out. Now, as far as installation goes, we're going to show you how to do it on a set of Tusk Comp Series Nerf bars, but it should be similar for anything that we're selling. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to start out with the Tusk Comp Series Nerf bars. This has 3 mounting holes for that strap. With the webbing in the correct position, I'm going to start feeding one of the straps through the mounting locations. We'll start at the top hole, go through the bottom one, and then you're going to wrap this around the front and go through the middle hole and then back through the top hole. And you're going to leave this loose for now. Once you have the first one in place, you just want to make sure that you have the webbing laid out roughly where it needs to go all the way around. And you're going to do that same mounting technique in the remaining locations. And then once we've done that, we can go ahead and pull everything tight. Now for the outer corner, this is going to be a little bit different process. So what we're going to do is we'll take our strap, we're going to go into that hole from the top. We'll feed the strap back up through the second slot. Then we're going to come around the back side. I'll flip that over so you can see it. And then we're going to go back through that first hole. So that webbing looks terrible right now. We need to take all the slack out of it. So we're just going to make sure as we tighten things down that the strap stays centered on the Nerf bar. Once you have the webbing where you want it, you'll notice on the back side you've got extra material. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to trim the extra length off. We are going to leave about 1 inch of material, but we'll just cut it off and then use a lighter to melt those ends so it doesn't unravel. Now that we have the right side done, we're going to do those same steps on the left. And that's all there is to replacing the webbing on your Nerf bars for your ATV. Again, if you need some replacement webbing or you want a custom color, go find that on our website. We also offer replacement Nerf bars. And if you like this video, maybe it helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.